again on Kyle's GTiR. Why are we doing this?
Because if you come have a look at this, the previous owner when he routed it, the crankcase breather's blocked off, so there's too much pressure on top of the piston, and we think that's why there's oil coming out the exhaust, fingers crossed. But it's quite easy, it's just one hose we need to reroute and unblock it, so yeah, should be quite quick.
We'll get to it.
Cool.
So we're going to be using this hose.
So heater hose, we got flat heads under the clamp, and we got some spare clamps just in case the other ones need to be replaced or we need some extras. So we'll start by undoing the clamps, taking all the hoses off, and then looking at a diagram to reroute it. Okay.
Aside from my soul.
Alright, so we're just taking off these little block offs because we need to use both ends of this T now. So this T here will be going down to the crankcase breather, and then this inlet here will be going to the in, and then the out is redirected back into the intake. So yeah, we'll take the rest of them off and then we'll cut the hose to length and then put it back on. Alright, so this clamp here is now fully loosened, and we're going to tuck it back under the water air intercooler and run it up and back into that T. So we'll just leave it, we'll leave the clamp loose for now just in case we need to readjust it, but now we can take the crankcase breather block off, that exhaust is hot, off, and we'll measure up some hose from there to there, and then we'll attach it and put some clamps on it. So that'll be pretty much it. Just have some 16mm heater hose, and we'll put it on down here onto the crankcase block off, or the crankcase breather, and I think we'll just route it pretty much straight to there, and we'll cut that. You have a Stanley knife? Yeah, just in the tool bag. Cut it with a Stanley knife.
Right, so we're going to do it a little bit long.
Yeah. Cut it a bit longer because you can always take more off, but...
Just imagine the comments now.
You can cut your finger.
Cut his finger off. You guys could have died.
Oh, like the guy on the oil change video, he was giving us a good roasting. Apparently this is how people die.
Yep.
But he never said why, he just said, this is how people die. That's it. Right. Oh, you've butchered it a little? So what should you pointing that knife? Alright, and that should, if you just slide that on there.
That'll be the right length?
Yep, perfect.
Now we're going to redo it with some clamps on there.
Yep, so we'll take it off, put some clamps on, and then tighten them up. Alright. So we just put the hose clamps on either side of that before we thread it on. So we'll start with this. Oh crap. Start it down there, that's on, and then slide that on.
You get the bottom one. Good luck getting down there.
Yeah, okay. And then I've got to, whoops.
I'm going to twist it.
Well, the clamp just fell off the hose.
Oh, Jesus.
So we're going to have to pull the hose out. The clamp fell all the way down there. So it's fallen off the hose. Ow! That is hot. Before doing this video, we were driving it quite hard, so if you want to do this at home, probably wait till your motor's cold.
Where do you want that facing?
Well, this way, so I can stick the screwdriver in.
Alright.
How's that?
It's
Alright? Oh, it hasn't.
Isn't it? I reckon you got to pull it up a bit.
Yeah, okay. Alright. We'll sort this out and then we'll come back to you, alright? Alright, so we're taking it off and we're just going to tighten it on the hose a bit more. Because we had found that it kept sliding off the hose and back into the engine bay, which causing us some headaches.
I'm going to slips over.
Yeah.
A little knob.
Okay. And that's good. I need it.
Yeah. You just screw it off.
Just trying to rotate the clip so it's easy to get to. Alright, I think that'll do. Now it's ready to tighten up. Okay, and then we need to tighten that one as well.
Did you get that one?
Yep. Oh, that's loosening it. Okay, we're good?
That one double crack.
Yep.
Good stuff.
Sweet. Start to make sure everything's alright. How is it? Yeah?
Seems to be running fine.
Might just give it a bit of pressurize it.
We're now taking GTiR for a drive. Seeing how we're going.
No, it's all good. It's fine.
Hey! Yep, seems to be all good. So the oil catch can might be on the right, I guess. Give me another good one here. Then we're in the streets of Mexico.
So today we've just rerouted the oil catch can. Hopefully that eliminates the problem. On cold starts, oil will come out the exhaust, so there's too much pressure on top of the piston because the crankcase breather was blocked off. So I'm hoping that'll eliminate the problem and it's not ringing or something. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.